Hello everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan from the IELTS PAL Online and hope everybody is doing pretty well. There's an announcement that I just want to bring in front of you, and that is my next schedule for the IELTS, online IELTS and online English proficiencies classes. I have scheduled the new online IELTS and online English language proficiencies classes right after Eid, and the days are absolutely the same, the Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays, and the timings are of evening, so you can also have the 30 minutes of free demonstration class if you want. And the fees structures and everything has been given in the advertisement. Okay, and right below this video you can have my contact number if you want to get any further information related to your course, no matter that is an online IELTS or online English proficiencies classes. You can WhatsApp me anytime, whenever you want. Okay, and you can also book a free demonstration classes for 30 minutes. Thank you very much.
Sir Sarfaraz Khan from IELTS PAL Online would like to welcome you all at his online IELTS learning platform. Sir Sarfaraz Khan has been associated with Lincoln Corner, Pakistan and the British Council as moderator and has 9 years of vast experience of teaching English business communication and IELTS. You may also book a free demo class before you actually start your online sessions with Sir Sarfaraz Khan. Or you may WhatsApp him at 009233412299294. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Sarfaraz Khan from the IELTS PAL Online, and as you know that I am an IELTS trainer and I also take the online and physical classes of Cambridge English A-levels and O-levels. Well, that's all about my introduction.